So let's go, guys. Let's tour Kashiwa International Village. So it's right across Lalaport, Kashiwa, very close to the mall. Welcome to Kashiwa City, Kashiwa. And this is the bus stop. There's McDonald's, Family Mart, and over there, the red signage, that's Kashiwa Campus Station. So Kashiwa International Village is very close to the train station. Very convenient. You have the mall, and you have the train station over there, convenience stores, McDonald's. Let's go. This amazing garden, outdoor hangout area, right outside your accommodation, the hotel. But that's not where we'll go. We'll go here. Okay. This is what you should be looking for. Park access Kashiwa. Okay, and then you have the huge door. Okay. So you'll be needing your key to enter. Tap it. Okay. Vertical garden. Lounge, amazing. And then tap your key again to enter. Okay. Okay, so that's your mailbox area. Elevator to go to 14th floor. You tap your key. Bam. Press 14. Bam. Close. Let's go. Ooh, thank you. Almost there. And you're here, Kashiwa International Village. So this is the share nest or the common area, and for you to access this room, you also need to tap your key. Let's go. So it's kind of dark. Okay. Kitchen area. Okay. But the best part of this area is this amazing balcony. Let's see. Okay. This is the balcony. Residents of KIV will get to enjoy this balcony with an amazing city night view of Kashiwa City, and it extends all the way here. So yeah, there's the kitchen area. Someone's cooking. And you'll have your own trays. So this is the balcony. Oh, sorry, not the balcony, the hallway. And this is my room. Okay, let's enter my room here at 1414. This is so for a single individual. Very spacious. Sorry for the mess because I'll be moving out tomorrow. So you have your own sink, toilet. Of course, it's the Japanese toilet. Yeah, all of this. Racks, wardrobe area. Yeah, racks, my shoes. So many spots to place your shoes. Ref, study desk. Yeah, this is the bed, cabinet. Sorry for the mess because I'm packing. And the best part, the balcony. Shouldn't. You have your own balcony where you can contemplate, have fun, look at the sky. Yeah. So again, that's Lalaport. You're very, very close to the mall. And then Kashiwa Campus Station. You even heard the train passing by. And then that's the outdoor park area that I featured earlier. The University of Tokyo is walking distance, but it's not visible from this vantage area. Okay? Maybe around 25 to 30-minute walk. Okay? There you go. Bye. Inside my room. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, KIV1414. I miss this. Thank you, Japan. Whew. My balcony on the 14th floor. And there's the moon. Thank you, Lalaport.